Hello my dear English learners, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe, like and comment. Today's story about Whispers of the Forest. The morning mist hugged the forest like a soft blanket. Sunlight filtered through towering pines, casting golden specks on the mossy ground. A gentle stream sang its way over smooth stones, carrying the scent of earth and wildflowers. Birds danced through the air, their wings brushing against dew-laden leaves. A fox padded quietly along the undergrowth, pausing to sniff the crisp scent of pine. Nearby, a family of rabbits nibbled tender shoots, ears twitching at every rustle. In the heart of the forest, an ancient oak stood tall, its branches reaching toward the sky. Tiny ferns curled at its roots, and mushrooms clustered like little umbrellas in the damp soil. The wind whispered secrets through the leaves, and the whole forest seemed to listen. As dusk fell, the stream shimmered under the moonlight. Fireflies blinked, tiny lanterns floating above the grass. The night creatures began their chorus, crickets chirping, owls calling, and the fox finding its den. The forest breathed, alive and endless, a world untouched and timeless. Thank you for learning and learning. See you the next video. Bye.